make a joke out of life if life makes a joke out of you. It's better to laugh than it is to cry. Oh, I don't know why. So will you help me to win the fight that I can lose if you are by my side?
Well, as you can see, another delay in trying to get anything done to the car camper. This is going to sound either paranoid or schizophrenic. Do you ever feel that reality isn't really reality, something else is going on? Two examples that sort of spring to my mind is, have you seen Jason the Argonaut? An old film where Jason's on this quest to get the fleece, or something called the fleas, and the gods are sort of watching from up above, and most of the gods are trying to stop him doing this, so they keep on throwing obstacles in his way. And I sometimes think that's happening to me. But in the last 6 years since I had my last camper, and I wanted to get one again, and if these lorries had ever stopped coming past, I'd actually do this. Yeah, so the last 6 years, started off, I got attacked by two blokes, road rage, severed my patella tendons, and I had to have both those operated on, and spent the summer in a wheelchair. Got up from that, and I was just around on a Zimmer frame, and I wake up in the local hospital. I've had a stroke and a bleed on the brain, and I just sort of, while this is happening, I've had my nose cut off, like 2 operations, rebuilding my nose for skin cancer. So I get out from having the stroke, still in a bit of a state, get home, and then I get post-stroke epilepsy, which has took me a few years to actually manage a whole year without a seizure to get my driving licence back. So I get through all that, and I think, right, it's going to happen now. I'm going to get my camper van. So I get the car, start converting it, check I can drive all right. Everything's looking good. Then we have a world pandemic and lockdowns, and I can't actually go anywhere. And it does make me start to question. The other possibility is Red Dwarf TV comedy. There's an episode in that where it turns out that they're not really the people they are, and they're not really on a spaceship. It's a virtual reality game.
For the last 4 years, you have been engaged in the total immersion video game, Red Dwarf. As with all role-playing adventures, you will experience a certain amount of disorientation on leaving the game. It will be several minutes before your real-life memories return.
All right, lads, how you feeling? Bit wonky? Perfectly normal. You're right as rain in 20 minutes.
How are we supposed to know that, you brummy git?
Blooming heck, if you didn't get that, you must have been playing like puddings. Hang on a minute. Are you seriously telling me you were playing the Pratt version of Rimmer for all that time? For 4 years? Oh, well, it's a classic, that is. That's a classic. Blimey, I wonder you only scored 4%. God, what a bunch of twonks.
And when they die in the game, they come back to the machines they've been fastened into, and they get a score on how well they played in this game. And I feel that possibly my life's like that, and at some point when I die, they're going to give me a final score, and I don't think I'm doing that well. So that'll be the end of this one. Not doing anything because now it's decided to snow all bloody winter. But if you keep on watching, one day, if I don't wake up in a virtual reality bloody simulator, I will be doing some travels and showing you some places. So yeah, believe it when you see it. Peace, man.
Gonna make a joke out of life if life makes a joke out of you. It's better to laugh than it is to cry. Oh, I don't know why. So will you help me to win the fight that I can't lose if you are by my side? And if the dice are loaded against you, come and take a load off my mind. It's easy to live if you're living a lie. You don't have to try, but there's a place if we can't go downtown, jetting around like a couple of Alices in Wonderland.
Hope that you're a country lover, quite happy to be on your own. Someday I know you'll have to grow up, and you'll be the lady that I want you to be. Wish we could be country lovers, quite happy to be on our own. Someday I know we'll have to wake up, then we'll be the lovers that we wanted to be.
Shake yourself and find a good reason why it's better to laugh than it is to cry. Well, I don't know why, so come on, take your head off. The smile's not far away and I can't lose if you are by my side.
Hope that you're a country lover, quite happy to be on your own. Someday I know you'll have to grow up, then you'll be the